my gosh. Are you stuck? Aww.
Oh, you trying to help your brother? Yes. Go help him. Help your brother. Help him. Oh my God, that's how you help your brother? Try to help him. Help him. Come on, you're a big girl. Help your brother.
Oh, she's trying to help him.
Oh. Good girl. Help your brother. Oh.
Yay!
You did it. Very good. Okay. That's good. Very
You got it, Aiden.
Okay, Aiden. Okay, Abby. That's good.
Yay!
Aiden did it.
Yay! Teamwork, yay!
Yes. Sister help brother. Sister help brother.
Yay!
Sister help brother. Sister help brother. Yay, Aiden.
Aiden looks
Sister
so
help you?
serious. Hi, Aiden.